First of all, how's life? How's the season been at Cardiff?
Yeah, I've enjoyed it. When I came here, my main aim was to get minutes that I wanted to prepare me for the Euros in the summer, and yeah, I've been happy with the minutes I've got. It's just a shame there's no crowd here, because obviously I've experienced the Red Wall and the Welsh crowd here, but I hadn't experienced the Cardiff fans, so that's been one big disappointment for me. I can't wait to have them back, and I believe for the Euros they might be allowing some in, so just to have a little bit of support with that Red Wall behind us, it'll give us a massive boost in all the games.
Yeah, it's all still up in the air, but I know people are booking. If football fans can get there, they'll get there somehow. What about the Euros? How big is this summer for you?
Yeah, it's huge. We've been made to wait an extra year, which maybe for our squad isn't such a bad thing. It's given the younger players an extra year of experience and game time. And yeah, I said the senior lads in the group, that extra year hasn't really affected them because they're not coming towards the end of their careers. So hopefully that'll benefit us, and when it comes around we can go there, give a good account of ourselves, and yeah, hopefully emulate what happened in 2016.
It's been a funny one with Wales, because, not quietly, because the results are there for all to see, but you've only lost against England and Belgium. That's some record. What does that do to a squad?
Yeah, we're a competent squad. We've got a fantastic mix of youth and experience. A lot of lads have come through the ranks together, so we know each other's games, and then the experienced lads are there to help us. They've been there and done it, the Euro 16, for example. I feel the games we lost, especially the Belgium one, I think on another night we could have scored a couple more. I know we scored a fantastic goal, but I think if you look back at their goals, we're maybe disappointed because I think one of them was a slip, the other one was a penalty, so we could have come away from that game with a point. So yeah, we've got to be confident going into every game.
It was a nice goal. Did you enjoy scoring it?
Yeah, obviously scoring a goal like that against the #1 seeds in the world was fantastic, and yeah, for me personally to round off that fantastic team move was great.
Big summer for you with Wales, of course. Also with your club situation with Liverpool. Any idea where you'll be next season?
Not yet. My focus is on finishing the season strong here at Cardiff, and then going to the Euros with Wales and doing well there, and then whatever happens off the back of that will happen. But I think it'd be silly of me to look beyond that with such an important summer coming up on the international level.
With Liverpool, you've been there so long. Would it be strange to leave permanently after all this time?
Yeah, maybe. I feel my senior career has been elsewhere so far. I think 150, 200 appearances deep now, and only a couple of them have been at Liverpool. So the club will always be close to my heart. But if it means moving away to further my career, then yeah, so be it.
When did you arrive at Liverpool? How old were you?
Yeah, I was 8.
Amazing. Yeah. So did you play for any clubs before then?
No, it's my local team. Corwin didn't have a team, so I was at Llangollen, and yeah, from there I went on a couple of trials, and then Liverpool signed me. Being from a small town in North Wales, Corwin, like a young lad at 8 signing for Liverpool doesn't happen very often. So yeah, without my mum and dad, without my family, my nana, granddad, my nanny and tidy on my dad's side, I wouldn't be where I am today. So yeah, everything I do is for them.